Hello everybody, here we have the Dibsys IRD 3711 and it's getting in a mux from the antenna. This is the TV station we're watching right now, works perfect. And then we switch to MPO1. I will push apply and see what happens. And there it is. So that works fine, but you cannot adjust it on the front panel because here you go to program select and then you push the enter button. And then you had a strange star coming up, and then press the enter button again, and then nothing happens. It just doesn't work. It drives me crazy. I cannot select the program. I cannot select it on the front panel. I can only select it here on the GUI. And that's a very big disadvantage of this Dibsys IRD 3711. I spoke it over with the factory, but they're not answering. They cannot find the issue, and that's very annoying. Thank you very much.